Hello, scrappers. It's Sunday, March 3rd, 6 minutes after 5. Have to call it a day. I thought I'd do an update on some of the stuff I've been up to the last few days. Some scrap related, a lot of it non-scrap related, but nothing really worthy of making a video of. So I went down to Duncan Thursday, picked up 27 tight heads and got 9 of the open tops. There's 3 right there. I got 6 up there. Had those 3 on the back of the trailer and 9 in the truck. So the 9 in the truck are up there by the shop. That's what I got left of the lawnmowers. Pretty much what I got left of the barrels from that first load. Of course, I've still got 36. I got the tops cut out up there by the well house, ready to sell. Last Sunday I sold 15 barrels. Today I didn't sell any. So you never know. But I've still got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's probably a good 21 there because there's a few on the other side. And then I got, the barrel trailer up there. It's got 20 on it that are already... Okay, I'm not sure what happened there. It said something about a lens, and then it said push the button to activate recording. So I think when I zoom back in, I don't know if I hit a button or did what I did. But, I got, let's see, a trailer right there I got aluminum radiators in. That one there I got ACRs in. Need to get a better zoom lens, something I can zoom way in there. But I can zoom a little bit with this one, but not as far as I'd like to. Anyway, I'm out here on the tractor, so I'll drive up to the shop and show you some of the stuff I've been dealing with up there. Besides working on the boat and stuff like that. So we'll see you here in a minute. I'll get you up there and okay. This is what I did last night. Got the utility trailer, went out and loaded up all the refrigerators, freezers. I did have a call a little bit ago. Little old lady wanted me to go up pick up upright freezer. I think she was up there on the north side of Oklahoma City. Good 35 miles away. I thought, no, that's too far for just a freezer. Definitely 70-mile round trip. That would have been a charity job if I would have done it, but so I'm not sure what the scrap is paying right now here in the city, but I know Wichita Metal Recovery up there in Wichita, Kansas, taking in over a ton, they're paying $210. If it's under a ton, it's right, 210 cents a pound, whatever. So not sure what they're paying here, but I guess we'll see. So I'll give them a call, Metal Check a call tomorrow and find out what they're paying, and then I'll decide do I want to take it in or not. But if I would have had one more of those little mini fridges, I could have put 3 side by side, but then I probably would have had the freezer. I don't know what I would have did with it. So I got it on there like that. So get it on out of here. I'm almost tempted to crisscross a couple straps across that. I might do that yet. And then over here, today, a little while ago, I put this awning up. I picked it up as scrap, I think, last summer. Maybe the summer before, I don't remember. But I had that old plank laying around forever. So I cut it down to a little over 12 foot and mounted this thing up here. Kind of give me a little, maybe give me a little more shade, midday. Worked on an outboard a little bit yesterday. Been over here refilling bottles. That one should be ready to come off anytime. Then in the shop. Got my little 1 pound bottle. Got my little bitty stove and this little square pot. Been melting down lead. I was running out of propane. Got a couple sinker molds. I was making a few sinkers. Got some 1 ounces there. Seemed like I was having more trouble with the bigger ones, the 1 ounces, than I was with the little 3/8. Seemed like those come out better every time, and you think the bigger ones would work out better. But little 3/8. I don't know if that gonna focus in. So my wife was gonna buy some the other day at Walmart. I said, no, don't. I said, I got a whole bunch right here too. Different ones. Got a few egg sinkers in there. And I think right now I've got 50 some pounds of lead in this ammo can. It's about half full. And I think all in all I have about what I figured up is 82 pounds, something like that, of lead. And that's not counting what I've made into sinkers already. So lots of lead. Because I still got all of these, and they weigh a couple pounds a piece. So I'm melting them in there, and then I got to find out if these are lead yet too. But I'm melting them in there, and then when it gets good and melted, then I'll shave off a little bit of candle wax in there. It'll flame up. That kind of purifies it a little bit. And I'll scrape the dross off. So it's getting it pretty clean. So I've been working, like I say, different projects. Got lots of screws and hardware in there. They're seal it up before it falls and get screws mixed up everywhere. Made up a bunch of foam balls. I need to get on that little outboard right there, the 10 horse, old 56 model. I need to put a new starter rope on it and then clean the carburetor up. I was going to use the other camera, but I thought, no, it's too windy. I want to get out here and do some plasma cutting, but just been too windy. Maybe in a day or two. Been real nice, 82 degrees, something like that out here today. So it's been real nice. Okay, then out here on the boat, I mounted a trolling motor plug right here, and then ran the wires up the inside. I need to figure out something I can put over this right here to keep them up in there. Which I can possibly pull them tight, and if I pull them tight they stay in there all right, but if they sag a little, it's no big deal. But that's what the seat looks like on it. I got 2 pole holders back there. Got 2 more pole holders I want to mount. Something like this. I need to get a 1/4-20 stainless bolt, about 3 inches long, to go through the oar lock, and then I'll get a couple self tappers and run down here, stainless steel, run into the gunwale, whatever, and then I can mount 2 pole holders kind of going forward and 2 going back there for drifting. See how that works. But it came with some stainless steel wood screws, so I just mounted those right into the wooden bench seat. I could mount one up here if I wanted to, but don't know if I want to have to jump up and go run that far for it. I might. I could cut me a couple blocks of wood and put something like that on the other side too, but if I decide to. I still haven't got rid of these plastic ones yet, but it may be coming. And then I may put something across there for pole holders. Just haven't decided. But that seat still sits just about at the right height, so I'm liking it. Got a few more things I want to do to it, but it's pretty well there. I got to get a fire extinguisher in here yet, which I've got them. I just got to get it in here, and then I was looking at a horn. I'm thinking about mounting it up on this plate here, but I'll have to run a control box back there somewhere. Switch box for turning the lights on, and have a horn button, stuff like that. So that's where we're at with that. So I think yeah, I took down one of the old 20-foot gates the other day. I got two of them laying up way out there. I got to put them on Marketplace. So I've been staying busy. Just haven't been processing a lot of scrap. Like I say, most of what I've got to do is just cutting things up. Just a lot of short iron to cut up. I may have to try to rig some shade cloth hanging down there. But I guess if we're getting a light sprinkle or something, I could get up under this thing and pretty well stay dry if I don't want to be right inside the shop. So I've got a bunch of barrels there that I drained. Still got a washer and dryer over there. I need to get them on the trailer. So staying busy. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, and just wanted to give you an update on, let you know I'm still alive and kicking. My knee's been bothering me, so I'm kind of taking it easy, walking slow. Should be staying off of it really, but I don't know, it's hard for me to stay sitting down too long. I got to be up doing something. But one of these days it might force me. Got bad here a while back. I had to walk around with a cane for a few days. I hope I don't get that point again. But I want to thank everybody for watching. Remember, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Watch it over and over and over. And we'll see you guys in the next video. So happy scrapping, everybody. See you later.